He really moves, man.
Oh my god.
Man. Wow,
Just
look,
get us
okay.
there safe.
Let's see if he's gonna dodge this, man.
We're on the way to Rodeo. We are heading down there right now. We have the Waymo coming to pick us up. What's the Waymo?
Self-driving car, so that's exciting.
We've been seeing them all around Santa Monica, so we decided to book one instead of the Uber. So we're going there in a self-driving car. Hopefully we get there
Hope we
smooth.
make it.
Turn left onto Broadway.
That's your Waymo right there. All right, so we're getting into the Waymo. Unlock. I just unlocked. What? I just unlocked it from the phone. All right.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Just ruined my hair.
is that the Waymo's fault?
Yeah, it is. It's ruined my hair because I got confused that said hey Mike.
It said, "Hey, Mike."
Yeah. So they
Wow.
confused me.
So it's saying, "Good afternoon, Mike. Here's the Waymo."
And they're taking a video of this car right now. These people.
Wow. And here is the
Okay, I'm
driver.
starting the ride.
And Lee's gonna start the drive.
Since they just messed up my hair. Can you hear me, Waymo? You screwed up my
Hello
hair.
from Waymo.
It's clean.
As we get
Oh, this is scary.
give us 1 minute to cover a few rides.
No, I don't like this.
Let's get it.
Futuristic. But
Listen to the
need buckle
tips.
up is the same as always.
56
So
minutes
keep
away.
your seatbelt fastened,
Can I
please.
put coffee inside the
If you're
drive?
traveling with little ones,
This is fun. This is the future. This is the future. There's a whole steering wheel and everything, and it's just doing its own thing.
Oh gosh, the pulling out. Oh my god. Okay, chill. Why is it so crazy on the foot pedal?
We're here right now. We're in the self-driving car. That is our route right there.
Wow.
It's a comfortable, clean car, though.
Yeah, it's clean and comfortable.
Remember, they say that this drives better than any driver. Okay, so it's supposed to be super smooth and super great.
Just not
It's-
smooth at all. Like I got in the car. The way I got in the car was not
Yeah, you weren't smooth, but it wasn't Waymo's fault.
I'm blaming Waymo. I like the roof. The roof is cool.
And look at how it's stopping so smooth and stuff. That's sick.
So right now we're in a self-driving car. Look at this guy go.
The way of the
There's no guy.
future. There's no
one
guy.
there. There's no one there.
There's no guy. There's only us. Traffic build up
With
more
no
as
coffee.
we're going. The traffic is built up.
54 minutes and zero coffee.
The traffic
Just
only gets
water,
worse.
And that's it.
You're gonna get a nice cafe down there.
Yeah, but it's gonna cost an arm and a leg.
No, it's not. It's gonna be the same. Don't worry.
No,
It's
Beverly
already
Hills.
it's already the same prices everywhere here.
I don't think so.
Downtown was even the same as here.
He really moves, man.
Oh my god.
man. Wow,
Just
look,
get us
okay.
there safe.
Let's see if he's gonna dodge this, man. Yep. Look at this guy.
Whoa.
Look at this guy. Driver, man. Driver. Signal on nice and early and
I'm
everything.
shocked. I'm shocked.
It looks like a Tesla the way you can see the cars going by on the screen.
Temperature.
Wow, there you go. No, that's gonna make it cold.
Colder. Good. Let's see, and then you go music if you want.
What else can I do here? So I know there's music, there's
Music,
route view,
review.
there's temperature about this car. You can read about it.
Camera problem.
Camera privacy. Cameras on, mics off until needed. So just so you know, they're recording in here. So cool.
Oh, you can pick your ride option, top 40, hip hop, new releases. Wow, that's wild.
Yeah, they got a whole lot of music here too. We're gonna get to jamming soon. In the Waymo, going through some streets. This is a nice little neighborhood here. Does a very good job at stopping at stop signs, full stop and everything. Make sure that pedestrians cross safely. Look, watch him right here, watch him. Watch him, see he's slowing down because the stop sign is there and you see some people. Or she, or whatever you want to call it, Waymo. And he's good at maneuvering around cars without losing speed and being nice and smooth. Signal on early and everything, you see? Wow. Even the fact he already edges his car to the right before like turning was serious. So you've been driving in a Waymo for maybe 15-20 minutes now. What are your thoughts on Waymo?
Now I'm calmer. I think it's very cool. I like the drive. It's pretty smooth. At first I was very, very nervous and anxious.
I was shocked. Once she came in, she's like, oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. I'm like, you asked if we could take Waymo.
I didn't realize though we would be taking the Waymo for an hour. I thought maybe okay down the street or something. But I did ask to take it because I want to experience something different, something new. And this is the coolest thing. It's pretty cool. I like it, and I like how quiet it is. I was already falling asleep.
Wow, you're already getting chilled out.
Yeah.
And it's so, yeah, there's no like road noise. It's very quiet. And to be honest, it's the best way to experience the Waymo going for a longer ride. And it is so smooth. It stops just so smooth, and it takes off so smooth. Goes over the speed bump just like it did right now. So smooth, no issues.
Yeah, no issues so far.
Waymo.
So
Google
far,
self-driving
fingers crossed.
cars.
I'm hungry. That's nothing to do with the Waymo.
I'm starving. I'm starving too. Like all we had this morning was, wait, you just had a smoothie, right?
Mm-hmm.
I just had this little
Yeah.
breakfast sandwich, a smoothie, and I'm starving.
Where are we gonna eat? Do we know?
We're gonna look that up. We're gonna eat somewhere on Rodeo ASAP. ASAP. So just so you know, where we're going to, Rodeo is a posh upscale mall, but it's also an area with a bunch of restaurants and vibes and views and palm trees.
Oh really?
It's lined with palm trees. It's lined with palm trees.
Some more palm trees. Lee loves palm trees.
Lee loves palm trees. LLPT. Get a little bit of traffic. Let's see how Waymo navigates through it. He's waiting for his turn to get to the stop sign. Let's see if he gets eaten up by the real drivers. That's what I'm trying to see. Okay. So we should get to a full stop here. And who stopped first there, Waymo? Let's see if he's gonna go or if he's gonna let this white car go. Oh yeah. Yes, Waymo, I like that. See, you were first to the stop sign before this guy. And you know it. Oh, but I guess he's in another lane, or he's going anyways, but the effort was there. Because there's cars along the side here. I'm sure when people see the Waymo, they just try to cut it off, knowing there's no real driver in there. Down here in Beverly Hills, we're just getting to our spot to Rodeo right now. Waymo has been such a smooth drive taking us down here. See all the palm trees lined up? That's sick. This guy just beeped the Waymo. Waymo's driving better than you, fam. Just cool it. Yeah, we're here. Look how beautiful this area is. Looks super clean. 4 minutes to our destination. Yo, we're in the Waymo. Since we're gonna be hopping out of the Waymo, how was your ride?
For your
was
safety,
good.
the doors will remain locked when we
It was
arrive.
good?
Yeah, it was good.
Pull the handle
Awesome.
twice to
It
exit.
was nice.
The first
Fell asleep,
pull
I know.
unlocks.
See, it
The
was
second
smooth.
opens the
That's
door.
how you know. Alright, thank you, Waymo. It's
Oh
been
my
a smooth
God.
ride. We're here.
So he said something about
Yeah, he's gonna keep the doors locked until we get out. So
Approaching.
let me do up your window for you, bud. Thank you for the ride. It's been a pleasure. So we're gonna close the door now and we're gonna send Waymo off. He's going back to Santa Monica. You're going back to Santa Monica, Waymo? Like, peep this thing. Look at the sensors on it. Crazy. Ouch here. Bye, Waymo.
Bye. Fun.
Have fun. He's struggling to get out of here. He's got his signal on. Waymo's a Jag. No wonder he's driving so good. Yo, they're not letting this guy out, eh? Okay, let's go. All right, bye, Waymo. When you'll get out when you can. It's busy over here.